Go. Boom. YouTube is up. All systems are a go, it looks like, so far. Twitch is up. I'm sorry, not YouTube yet. Let me check YouTube's. YouTube's still not up.
Check YouTube's. TikTok's up.
Thank you.
YouTube's up now.
Thank you. Also. Nice, nice. Almost there. You going through my 80-point checklist? It's like we've done this before. It's like we've been doing this for almost 3 years straight every single day. There we go. Almost. Missing one right here. Carry the 2. Looks good. Participants, check. Got it. Good. Messages coming in. Check. Got it. Good thing we don't have to do a lot for this program every day, right? You should see my screen. It's just filled with stuff and the things. Woo! All right, let's rock and roll. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. I just wanted to thank all my moderators before we get started. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Nick, Mountain Man, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. This needs to be edited. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Nice. Nice, nice. Thank you.
My kids joined in.
Oh, very nice. Thank you.
Just want to tell you that you rock. You know that?
Oh, thank you, man. I know I missed you guys too. It feels good to be back in the big area, right? The big command centaur. It's nice
Back
having
in
all
El
the
Salvo.
things. Yeah, all the things, the lights, the sounds. My dog next to me passed
Yay.
out.
Hey, Pumpkin.
She's
We
over
need to
there.
work on the truck
chilling.
sounds, though, because it sounded like a wild duck field.
Oh, did it? Very nice.
Hey, Coach, we're going to call you the stock poke today.
Very nice. Has everybody seen what Soxel is over here doing now? $14. Remember when some old man on TikTok that you guys saw once upon a time told you guys to scoop that up at $7 is now up over 100% since we said that 3.5 weeks ago. Does anybody remember that? Because I specifically remember somebody stating Soxel, calling it out by name, saying if there was only one that I would invest in long term right now, not financial tax or investment advice, it would be Soxel, SOXL.
Bye.
I'm
I'm
in it.
over 80% on those.
I'm in it. I love it.
Okay.
Great
That's nice.
stock, Coach. Thank you.
That's nice. Just checking in. See how we're all doing. It's just some place I heard about over there. Bitcoin now at 103,000. Told you at 75,000. It looked absolutely amazing. I don't know why everybody was running scared. I said Bitcoin looks great.
Hey, Coach, it's a hot stock runner. I'm not sure if I could call it out now or should I?
No.
I put it in the chat.
Yeah,
I put it in
okay.
the chat already.
That'll work. Thank you. Yeah, I see it. If it's the one I'm thinking, I see it.
Already updated.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bruno.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok. Don't forget when you guys come in here, a couple things you need to do. If you already have our Trading View Indicators 3.0, you already have it. If you don't, make sure on your screens every single day that you guys put in pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. It will look like this just because I need to set it up for myself, set myself up for success. So if I go in here and I look at SPY previous day high right there, previous day low right there, pre-market high is going to be right there, and pre-market low is going to be right there. I am now set up for success. Should not take you longer than 12 seconds to do each chart. Once you have them all set, you are ready for the day. Again, looking at Apple right there is previous day high, previous day low, pre-market low, pre-market high. There it goes. I was like, why is my button not working? There you go. Apple done. We'll do one more for you live just so you can see how much time it should take. It's not going to be rocket science or complicated. Previous day high, pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day low, done. Just like that. You like my monotone voice today? That means I'm ready to rock and roll. We're going to kick all sorts of ass. We're going to make tons of money. We're going to make the market scream. Thank you. Hope you guys are all ready. Hope you're excited. Hope you guys are ready to get on that money train with me. It's go time. Who's going to make ass loads of cash today? Ass loads of cash. Tell me right now.
Off cheeks.
Ready for it, Coach.
Yes.
Bang, Coach.
Yes, coach. Got my wheelbarrow ready.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
All
Wheelbarrows
the
are
things.
ready. Locked and loaded. Locked and loaded. Don't forget, we opened up the one-on-ones with our training moderator, who happens to be David over there, doing a fantastic job running the live Apple chat. He's been running that now for a very long time. He's been using the 2-minute EWO strategy for over 2.5 years here at American Dream Trading, and over $600,000 in profits. Yesterday, I did a cool little flash sale. Those are all gone. I said if you buy a Diamond Lifetime membership for $5K, which is $15,000 off, I would throw in a one-on-one with a moderator. Those were all sold out. Congratulations to you. Boy, we're going to have a lot of fun today. I can feel it. A lot of energy. It's going to be a lot of energy today. I've got the cleaners at the house today. They're going to be like, oh my gosh, why is that guy always yelling in his room and punching babies and sound effects coming out of the office? Wait till we get the smoke machine in here. It's going to look like Cheech and Chong.
Oh my God, not the smoke machine.
Let me know.
Just let me know.
Blow your roll.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's going to be legit. Oh, it's getting so crazy that Pumpkin has already moved. She's so excited for this trading day on this beautiful Friday, May 9th, that she's roaming the halls in here. She's so excited about how much money is going to be made, how much training and education you're going to drink in. It's amazing. I'm missing a front cam. Hold on. Cam down. Cam down. Hold on. Hold on.
Cam emergency.
Yep. We got us a situation. We got us.
Cam emergency.
Yep. We got a cam emergency. We got us a situation. All right. It's fixed. Situation is now resolved. Hold on. Recording now. Woo. That was close. That was close. Situation averted. We're all good now. We're all good. Thank you again for being here. We've already got a couple runners going. If you guys are a part of our premium and above membership, meaning a paid membership, you've already received your hot stock picks, your pre-market setup. You've already got all the IPO information, and you are ready for the day. Let me see what we've got. Yes, you've already got all your information, and you guys are ready to rock and roll.
By the way, my son says hi.
Oh, you know what's funny? I was literally just gonna say, I hope your travels are well. Tell your son we all said hi.
Yeah, I saw my son, but I lost my luggage, so I'm literally butt naked at the hotel.
Did you guys hear that? Butt naked at the hotel. Anything can happen.
It's that my luggage went to the wrong airport, so it's having a free tour.
Uh-oh. Did you guys hear that? And it made her naked and then naked.
Oh my
and
God, Coach.
naked and confused.
I mean, nothing unusual for a French lady. Come on.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
It's all good. It's all good. Yep.
Okay, we got a train.
All right.
Etched in my memory.
Oh,
Let's go
boy.
to business. Let's go make money.
Oh, boy. Here we go. Bowl of Jell-O. Naked. Hotel. All right. All right, everybody. Be cool. It's a family show. We're trying to keep you on point here.
Ooh la la.
Trying not to get canceled on this program now that I'm in the big Command Centaur. Oh, boy. All right. Good morning, everybody. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, do me a favor, double tap those screens, click that share and follow. Thank you for all the gifts. I appreciate that. By the way, can you guys hear me okay over there on TikTok? I forgot to ask. Let me know. Type in a 1. Everybody good over on over on Twitch? There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Oraclo says, vape in hand, doing my part. Good job. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you. Yes. Thank you. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Couple of things going on. Of course, today we're running that Diamond 5K Lifetime membership. You guys can get access to all of our memberships for 5K today. Highly recommend you guys scoop that up. This is the tail end of that sale. Lot of happy people getting that. Lots of happy people. Listen to them. Listen to them, and the crowd goes wild. Thank you. If you guys are interested in any of our memberships, they start at $125 a month. That'll get you into our regular premium membership. You guys can get training starting at 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day the market is open. You will get access to the membership lounge, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the earnings, and the videos on demand to get you started. All of that for $125 a month. Otherwise, you guys can upgrade to the VIP membership. With the VIP memberships, you guys would get pre-market early access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yes, that's 12 hours a day working with us as long as the market is open. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the training videos, all of our trading view indicators, which we have 3.0 and 3.1 is coming. You guys will get access to that. If you have the VIP and you want to upgrade to the VIP Gold, you guys can do that. You'll get all the mastermind classes and all the sessions that were previously recorded. 1 hour of tech support, weekend training, which is every Saturday. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, the news service, breakout rooms we've been having every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon. You guys will get all of the sessions will be recorded so you guys can watch them in the replay. So if you guys are working or you miss any of the training, if you're a gold member, you have access to it. And you guys will get the live Apple chat. We have David over there who, again, has been running inside of that room now for close to a year with the 2-minute EWO strategy that we have designed and developed from me being in the stock market for 33 years. You guys can check that out. He's made over $600,000. He will show you exactly what he's doing and how he does that so you can see what it is. Now, remember, we never want you to mirror or mimic our trades. Everything we do is so you can see how we do it, right? Never copy trade, never mirror anybody. It's for training and education purposes. Speaking of that, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Thank you. We also have our futures training and membership starting at $250 a month. Check that out. I've got Mark over there right now training everybody else. Of course, there's other people inside of the room, Ange, Ralph, and some others. But with that, you guys will get the futures training and education starting at 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. The futures training videos, the futures lounge. You guys also get the trading view indicators and sometimes some additional Zoom training. We also have the Futures VIP with the Futures VIP. You guys will get the VIP lounge, additional Zoom classes, the VIP newsletter, the additional VIP advanced videos, the VIP live chat area, and some advanced trading view indicators, which is coming out soon with the 3.1. If I were you, I would get the Diamond Lifetime Membership. That is a $20,000 membership we have on sale for $5,000 right now. There is over $50,000 worth of services in this. With the Diamond Lifetime Membership, you will receive the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, weekend training every Saturday, VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, news service, the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Everything will be recorded for you, the live Apple chat, pre-market early access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP training videos, the trading view indicators, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the videos on demand, the futures lounge, the futures VIP lounge, futures training videos, the futures VIP advanced trading videos, the news service, the Zoom replays, the crypto lounge, the crypto training videos, the trading view indicators for crypto, the Zoom replays, and the mentorship program. Woosah. Very nice. Oh, that's a nice picture, Nana. I like it. Yay. Yay. Who's ready to rock and roll? Who made money yesterday? Anybody open up your mics, let the world know. Anybody make any money yesterday? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anybody else?
For 11% total account.
Thank you. What the heck?
Yes, sir.
$1 million?
Yes.
You guys are crushing it. Thank you. It's now 9:15. Can you guys believe in 14 minutes and 10 seconds we're going to crush this market's soul? Remember, this is Options Friday. It will be a little sketch. Be careful. Remember to follow all the rules, not some, but all of the rules. Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any single trading day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next month off. You obviously need to work on something. Make sure you journal each and every single day. Make sure you have a stop loss on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, stocks, or futures. Make sure you guys are not using real money while you are in training. It should be paper trading only. Simulate trading. A lot of different brokerages have those. Webull, for example, does have a fake simulated account that you can use. Today, I will be using a live cash account for futures. Again, just promoting our futures side. I trade futures, stocks, and options, but typically in the morning from 9 to 11, I am trading stocks and options. Make sure you guys are practicing with small base hits. Do not swing for the fences. We want to stop out those losers and let the runners run. Don't cross the stream. If you guys are using different strategies, make sure you stick true to the strategies that you are using. If you are scalp trading for the day, then use the scalp strategies. If you're using the 2-minute EWO, then use the 2-minute EWO strategies. Never cross the streams. It's very dangerous. You guys saw what happened in Ghostbusters, right? If you cross the streams, you can get in big trouble. Am I right? Look at me crossing the streams. This is high budget. Let me put that on display for you right now. Ready? You see that? Did you guys see what happened?
Top notch.
Big
You just got it going
quality. High quality training you'll get here each and every day. All right? So
Can I
everybody
get some high quality H2O along with that?
Yes, H2O. Yes. H2O. I like it. We're going to have us a good day. I don't know how long I'm going to be here today. I was going to take the day off, and I'm like, why? What am I going to do? Think about working, being at work. I mean, I literally went to Virginia Beach, and I was still working, right? I don't know. I'm not really, this is why right? You guys will be kicking me out of here when I'm 85 years old. Like, dude, you really need to go. We got other people to take your spot. You got to go now. I understand. I get it. It's not going to happen for a while. I'm still young, kind of.
Young, what you talking about?
Yeah.
Still a young buck.
Right. All right, we got about 11 minutes. Hot stock picks have already been posted. I see a couple things have already started to run. Here's something for you guys to watch for today. Check out WBuy. That is WBUY. Keep an eye on that. That has 2.5 million in volume. Typical average volume is only 27,000. I've got members in here could buy the entire volume of this out. The free flow is 300K. 300K. There's no options, which is another nice thing if we're looking at, right, one of these smaller penny stocks. You can see a couple trading sessions ago. This got up to, oh my, $30. What in the world? And I think we were a part of that, right? I remember us talking about WBuy. Anybody?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's hit a couple times.
Yep.
You still like it even at 16.50, you're still getting it.
I like it as long as it shows us it's still good. Now, obviously, you can see that this has been running all the downside. Look at the trend line right there. You can see what it's been doing. Starts to pick up volume, starts to move to the correct side, starts to get above VWAP or new high a day. I like it. Follow all the rules, right? Everybody in here knows what to do, when to do it, why to do it. If you don't, pay attention, listen, learn, empty your cup, and be ready to crush this market soul. Thank you.
Hey, I'm definitely getting into that.
Yes.
Definitely.
Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it.
About that, the diamond. Definitely getting it this afternoon.
Oh, nice. Did you
Thank
guys
you
hear
so
that?
much for waiting for me all week. Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll do you one better. You ready, Adib?
Yes, sir.
Because you're my boy. You're my boy, Blue. Moderators, let's set them up with a free one-on-one with David as well for getting the Diamond lifetime membership today. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
You got it, partner. That's a $500 value, and I took $15,000 off that Diamond.
Thank you so much.
You got it. Thanks for being here, man. I do appreciate it. You've been here a long time, one of my OGs.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You got it. Appreciate you. Let's see, about 8 minutes to go. 8 minutes to go.
Coach, we have about 38 Fed people speaking today.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little crazy, right? Everybody be cool. The market is nice and green right now. As you all know, do not trade the bias, trade the trades. Just because it's green doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. And everybody remember, typically, if the market runs up in the pre-market, what's it typically do at the open?
Pull back.
That's right. And why is that?
People taking money.
That's
Getting
right.
their money.
Yes, people collecting their money from the previous day, right? So if you see it run up like it's doing right here, typically we'll watch for a pullback. Now, the thing with the pullbacks, though, right? We don't know how much it pulls back. We don't know when it's going to find support. This is why, though, these major areas that we have charted out, right? These are going to help us to see when we are going to start to find support. You can see there's a lot of traffic right here, right? So to me, this should be a major level of support right there, a little bit of there, right there, and right there, right? We'll see. We don't know. This is why you never know. You can see right here, why this is bouncing off this major area. Keep an eye on these today. Don't worry. We will walk you through these trades. Again, not to mirror or mimic ever, but so that you understand what we do, why we do, when we do, the things that we do to you. It's going to be a fun one today.
Coach, old hot stock GPUS. It's still going up pretty good.
Thank you. GPUS. We've been tracking that for a couple days now, haven't we, partner?
Yes, we did. We made money on it.
Yes, good. So GPUS. Same thing. Just make sure you guys are charting it out. You can see how long it takes for me to chart it out. Should take you less than 5-10 seconds. Chart the entire thing out. Done. And you're ready to rock and roll, right? Make sure when you guys are charting this out, I love to use like green and red, knowing when I want to go long or when I want to short. The reason I do that is that way when I quickly come back to a chart, I will already know what I was putting in there, right? Like right here, if this goes above, if this goes below. This way I'm already set up for success, right? If you guys want to take it one step farther, as I've talked about before, you can simply go in here, go to drawings, make sure you put into text. You can say previous day high. That way I know what it's doing. You can see that I had it over here before, right? There's pre-market high. We'll just grab that. Give me that. See that right there? So nice. Make sure you guys are all charting this out. It will help you throughout the day, right? Now, if you guys start to find yourselves that you've got just lines everywhere and it's just a mess, get rid of all that trash. I start literally every single day with a fresh chart. Now, sometimes I'll leave golds in there if I'm like, hey, this has been a big level. To be able to do that, all you need to do is click on this lock button right here, okay? So if you don't want that to disappear and you don't want to accidentally move it around and you want it to stay, just go with the lock button and you can keep it on your screen. Now, remember, at gold level to me is if it hits that key area a bunch of times, whether it's become support and or resistance, I will use that as a gold level, meaning this is a major level for me to keep an eye on, okay? All right. I've got about 4 minutes. Anybody that is live, I see you all over there. TikTok, if you guys can get to 300 concurrent viewers, I will do a giveaway today. Speaking of giveaway, moderators, make sure we post that giveaway inside of our stock lounge. $1,000 cash we're giving away. Let me copy this. $1,000 cash we are going to give away live. It will be here. I think it draws, I want to say, on the 31st. It's all automated. It's all through that Gleam, which is legit. I used it for years off my regular tech YouTube channel. It's free to enter. Everybody can enter. The only thing is it's US only. I just made it US only. That's the link. I just posted it for you. Make sure you guys check that out. YouTube. I'm going to post it right here.
I got YouTube, Coach.
Oh, do you? Okay, thank you. I'll get rid of it. Thank you. So right there, if you guys, hey, listen, if you don't want $1,000, don't do anything. Just sit there. Just stare at the wall and wonder how you're going to make $1,000. So you can either clicky click and have the opportunity to win $1,000, or you can stare off into outer space right now and go, gee, $1,000 sure would be nice. I could probably do a lot of things with $1,000. It's up to you. It's up to you, right? Click the things or stare. Click or stare. Click or stare. Finkel, Einhorn. Finkel, Einhorn. Finkel, Einhorn. Click or stare. Click or stare. Click or stare. Right? Am I right? Huh? You know I am. Do the things. Click the stuff. Win the things. Today, we got 2 minutes. Today, if you guys have an amazing day in the market, pay some debt off, move some money around. You don't need to leave it in your day trading account, all right? You don't need to leave that in your day trading account. You can move it around. Always pay down your debt, pay off things, pay it ahead, right? If you've got car insurance, pay ahead 6 months, right? Whatever it is, use that money to get ahead. The more that you are debt free, the less stress this will become while you are trading, because you're not like, oh, my back's against the wall. I need to make another $600 for the month to pay on my mortgage and the car, and I need new tires, and pay ahead, right? If you have the extra money and it makes sense for you, buy the Diamond Lifetime membership. If not, don't. Continue to pay me the rest of your lives forever. Because that's a great business model. That's the best business model. So again, if you don't want the $1,000 for the giveaway, you don't want to be entered for that, don't click the button. If you want to pay me forever, don't buy the Diamond Lifetime membership. Okay? Okay. Let me tap you on the head here. You guys remember Benny Hill? I know. A lot going on today. A lot of moving parts.
I do remember Benny Hill.
A lot of moving parts, right? All the old people in the room were like, yeah, Benny Hill's awesome. Dawn. Dawn's like, what are you talking about? I caught it on reruns, and I don't even know what you're saying.
I did. Jen said she loves him too.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll, everybody. Nobody go rogue today. Please, nobody go rogue today. That'd be great. All right, let's dance. All right, here we go. Watching the market, see if we're going to get a pullback here at the open on SPY or not. Looks like it bounced to this 200 and took off. Apple 2-minute EWO is already in effect. It's already in a 6-star trade. Does not mean it's going to stay that way. Do we all understand each other?
Yes.
Thank you.
Coach, stocks will spiked up.
Thank you.
Coach, QBTS, Qubit is to the upside.
All right, thank you. Starting to get a little bit of a move here to the upside across the board. Everything popped here at the open. Not typical. Usually it pulls a little bit more before the pop, but hey, I know Mr. T yesterday said to buy all the stocks because the market's about to go stratospheric. So I'm sure that everybody's like, yeah.
That's why it's looking good to the upside, Coach.
Yes, Apple 2-minute EWO was absolutely beautiful in a 6-star trade. David with those amazing lower premiums probably loaded the boat and is really happy right now. If I know David. We won't interrupt his trading, but I guarantee you he's loving life.
Tesla is like yummy right now.
Yes, yes. Everything's looking good so far. Watching SPY and ES here. Want to see if this is going to stay up.
Coach,
Talk to me.
$700.45.
Nice job. Nice job. Make sure. Hey, listen, I love your face, but you make sure you wait till after 10 o'clock to tell me how much money you made, young man. You understand me?
I love you.
All right, here we go. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback. This is the pullback I was watching for right here. See if this wants to pull back or not. Still staying up nice and tall. SPY and ES respecting the 9. Wow. Want to see if this can pull back here. If it does, it's going to flush to VWAP. I'm going to get into those shorts. Otherwise, I'm waiting for us to make a little bit bigger move. 2-minute EWO still in effect on Apple, making just ginormous moves to the upside at 1.5%. Looking beautiful on Apple. If I know David, typically on Friday, he usually starts with like 50 options. Probably already locked in about $1,500 if my math is right. Very nice. Good job. Still waiting on this area right here. There goes the pull. Come on, baby. What do you got? What are you going to do? Come on. Being patient. Being so patient. Now remember, this is micro May. Everybody's small position sizes, right? Allow the runners to run. Stop out those losers. Let it work. Let it work. Thank you. This is still staying up nice and tall here. Letting it work, though. Not doing anything. Not touching anything at all. Just waiting. Still respecting the 9, but I don't like the way it's all jammed up here. But I'm not going to get into anything early. Right now, 50-50, right? We don't know. Obviously, it's bullish, but we don't know what it wants to do. People still really haven't collected. You can see one small pullback here at the open, right? Kind of pulled, bounced. So, being patient.
WBUY halted to the upside.
Oh, yes. Isn't that the one, right? The one I said this morning. Huh? I said, keep an eye on it.
Yes, sir.
Glorious. Glorious. Oh, starting to get a nice move here. I'm going to get in a little dab. Little dab will do ya. Just a small, just a smidge. Nice. I'll take it. Take my $200. Just the like of that. Will that trade take me? 2 seconds? Nice. Nice, nice. Looks like it only collected $103.60 for that 3-second trade. So I was off. But by the time I collected, that's what I got. Still, nice move up here. Nice, nice move. Better setup on SPY, you guys, is wait till the break and hold above 567.50. Break and hold above 567.50. If you guys are looking at ES futures, we want to wait for the break and hold of 57. We'll just say 57.11. Okay. It's a better setup. That's a better setup, right? Great.
Tesla is still cranking to the upside.
Thank you. Let me pull that up over here. Give me just 1 second. Tesla, just glorious. Tesla now pushing that $300. You guys remember when I said that Tesla was an absolute steal? Do you guys remember when I said it was going to run up till June? It had major news announcements coming. And I said, it's a fire sale. $300 over there on Tesla now. Nice job. The whole world was screaming recession while we were loading the boat, buying the dip, and now it's ripping. Right, everybody?
Yes, sir. Bought a couple of weeks at 271.
Thank you. Good job. Good job. Apple on its first pullback right there. That is almost a collection. If you guys look at it, right? So this is, I want you guys to understand the difference between pullback and when you collect. If you guys look at this, you see how all these candles are the same. Same. If it comes in here, that's collect. Why? That'll be breaking that little V, right? Makes sense? Oh, there goes SPY as I'm over here chit-chatting. Remember, SPY, a better setup is at what level break and hold?
50.
Yeah, 567.50, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Waiting patiently. You can see Apple with that pullback that we talked about. Now, we are up here on a double top on SPY. Everybody see it? That is a double top setup. Everybody see it?
Yes.
Thank you. There it goes. Collected. Now up $269.70 off that double top pullback. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just forget. That's it. Mic drop. I'm out of here. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm gone. Goodness gracious. What? What in the world? Where's my diet do? That was a diet do instead of a coffee pause. Anybody making any money off that double top pullback? The greatest trade in the universe. Anybody else? Talk to me. Let me know. Who else got in that?
Futures group, coach.
Thank you. Everybody, double top pullback on SPY. You saw me trade it. You saw me call it. You saw me talk about it. I've got 8 million training videos on it. What is my favorite trade in the business? Go ahead.
Double tops and double bottoms.
And what did it do? And what did it do? Double top pullback, right? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just textbook, coach. Come on. You don't charge enough. You don't charge enough, buddy. You don't charge enough. No, I'm not charging more. I'm just throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there. Did anybody get in on that double top pullback when it was called out exactly? Exactly right there. Who did it? Talk to me right now. Go. Too quiet in here. Hey.
That's beautiful, Clark.
Come on. It's too quiet. Why is it so freaking quiet? Wake up. Let's go.
I don't know. I guess everybody fell asleep.
Yeah, what in the world?
Everybody making money.
Everybody's
Making money.
Yeah, I hear you. Listen, all you got to do is clicky click. There it was. I had a
clicky click.
Clicky click. Do the things. Come on now.
The clickety click.
Come on. Get in, get green, get out, right? Let's go. For everybody else, 2-minute EWOs. Look at Apple, that huge pullback. Who collected on Apple once it broke below that 199.91, which broke that little V setup? Anybody? If you didn't, you're like, why didn't I make my money?
Collected some on the way up just in case, and then collected at yesterday's high, and then collected on the pullbacks.
And that is why he is a beautiful human being, everybody, right there. Let's give it up for him right now. Glorious.
Mark's over there crushing ES, coach.
Good job. Yeah, he's next level now. Next level. I told you it was coming. All right, here we go. ES, come on, baby. We're watching it here now. And SPY, looking to see if we're going to get a bounce off of VWAP here. If not, I'm going to be set up for the next setup. Remember, A-plus setups, small position size, let the runners go, work what you need to, stop dinking around with your stops. Everybody should have already made money today. Everyone in the room. We've only had one trade. Double top pullback. That was it. Am I right? Oh, look at this bleeding out still. Wow. Double top pullback. Still, who got in it? Talk to me.
Meanwhile, Tesla is trying to do new high.
Thank you. This is bouncing on the 200. I should have waited till the break and hold. Sitting on the 200 here. Extremely heavy, but sitting on the 200. Still sitting here. Not good for me. Should have waited just a smidge longer. Give this a second. That'll work. There we go. Come on. There we go. There's the flush. That's better. I'll take it. What should have happened is I should have waited till right there. That was the move. But I'll take it up 500 for the day. 3 trades, all A+ setups. Didn't force anything. Set up beautifully. Who would like to make $500 in 14 minutes, 3 clicks, taking me less than 1 minute total time of work? Anybody else?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you.
All day, every day.
Thank you. Now, you want to know what's really crazy? I do that 10 times today. I just paid for an entire Diamond Lifetime membership, which will give me access to all of the training over at American Dream Trading. Literally, if I do that 10 times today, lifetime of training. Are you serious? Glorious.
Coach GPUS is climbing up still.
Thank you, partner.
What do you think of that?
Thank you. This is still flushing out over here on SPY. You guys are still riding this double top, yes? The double top pullback. My gosh. This will be your...
Hot stock W buy making new highs.
Thank you.
Be careful at 566. You're gonna have support at 566 on SPY.
Yep, I've got it marked. Yep, 566. That's exactly where I got it marked. Good call out.
Yeah.
Guys hear that? Nano will be
I
able to
got
buy
you,
some
Coach.
clothes now. Should be able to buy some clothes now off of that bounce. That'll be nice. All right, watching the key critical areas. Nobody's trying to be a hero. We're waiting for A+ setups. Again, if you did not get on the double top pullback, what are you doing? If you're a scalper, what are you doing when you did not get into that? Right? Oracle says over on the free YouTube channel, I'm up $550. There you go. Guess what, Oracle and everybody else that's listening, for $750, you guys can get a lifetime premium membership, which normally costs $125 a month. I haven't ran that sale in over 2 years. You just made enough, almost, to cover a lifetime membership in the premium area. Thank you. That was that bounce off of VWAP we were looking for in 566 for you over there, SPY. VWAP bounce on ES and SPY 566. Good job.
WBUY halted again to the up.
Oh, my. Isn't that the free one that I gave all of you that are watching? Isn't that the one that I said to watch for today?
Watching and making money, Coach.
Goodness gracious. What?
Thank you.
Yes. Remember, one of our members in here was even like, you like it at 16? You bet your ass. I like it at 100 if it's going to keep pushing, right?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, there you go. You see what I mean, though? As long as it gives us what we need, we take it. We take what's rightfully ours. Right, gang? Oh, what do we got here? Getting a little heavy on SPY and ES. respecting the 9 to the downside. This is what I'm watching. Now we're touching the 21 on SPY. This pulls back. I can look at shorting it because it's respecting the 21. Get in there right now. My stop will be above the 21. See if it's going to respect this level or not. If it pops, I'll get out. So far, respecting this. Sitting, waiting, waiting, waiting. Putting my stop in now. Just in case it decides to rip. There it goes. Tighten my stop. Come on, bleed out right here. That'll let me move my stop. Go, 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 go. Little more. Come on.
This slide is borderline 300.
Thank you. Man, this is just dancing right here, isn't it?
Yep.
Come on, baby. What you gonna do? Up, sold off. No go. Wait for the next setup. Still up 330. Had a tight stop. The only reason I moved that stop in there, I just didn't like the way it started to get jammed up. But you can see clearly going smaller, let it work a little bit more. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to go in smaller and let it work a little bit more. That's what I should have originally done, right, gang? Isn't that what we're talking about today? Yes.
Small position May.
That's right.
Micro May.
That's right.
Coach, just to let you know, $500 on the GPUS. Just like you.
Oh, nice job, partner.
And it's already still going up.
Yes, I love it. Love it. Good job. Proud of you, man, right? Stay in there. Get those good setups, right, gang? There we go. Protected the trade. Boom. Let's go. Ah. Stay down there. Stay down there now. It's because it was getting real tight to this double bottom. See this micro double bottom on SPY? This is what I'm fearful of, right? This is why I'm being so cautious when I'm trying to short right here. In case you're like, Coach, why are your stops too tight?
Tesla is 1 cent away from 300.
Oh,
and it's at 300.
Yes. Yes.
And it just popped.
That's all. Yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for that. Why? Because if you guys listened, you are so rich right now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Love it when a plan
And
comes
everybody
together.
thought that Tesla was going to zero.
Yeah,
And
right?
we were all laughing about it.
Yep. We didn't, though. Everybody here made money.
Mm-hmm. Now I can go buy myself some underwear.
Yep, there you go. You get yourself a new set of drawers. There we go. There's a nice bleeder. Didn't collect as much as I wanted. Nice, nice. So the real question is, who is still in this from the double top pullback?
Me.
Yep. Is that the greatest, most beautiful trade or what?
Everybody, all big seven is pulling back except the Tesla.
I see it. This is bouncing around this area. We're going to see if this is going to drop more. This is that double bottom area, right? Had a lot of traffic in here this morning in the pre-market off this level. This 566 level.
Meta is on the double bottom.
Thank you. Yep. 566.
Yeah, 566 for SPY, and it's tough one.
Yep. Yeah, and on the 2-minute for ES, we're still sitting on the 200 and VWAP here. So major level of support right here going on. Just wait, be patient, gang, right? There's your micro double bottom bounce off that 566. This is why I was saying, you know, be careful down there with that short. Nice. Good job, everybody.
5 minutes to chip change. 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Tesla is back at it again.
Yep. And the market, right? SPY bounced off that 566 to the upside. 566 to the upside. Good job. SPY still cranking to the moon. Be patient right here. It's all, this is a major area. You guys look at SPY. You got the 21, the 9, and VWAP, right? We're all jammed up right here, okay? We're waiting. Being very patient. Someone over there, Legacy, is like, Mark should have his own show. He does have his own show. He's here every day from 2 to 4. Appreciate you. Mark's just kicking butt over there. Kicking butt and taking names, and I love it. All right, here we go. Let's see if this can make a bigger move. I need SPY to get out of this area right here. If it does, I can look at longing it, but it must break and hold up here. And then I'll look at longing it. Otherwise, I won't.
Meta is going new low.
Thank you.
Straight down.
Thank you. Isn't that funny? Every time I get somebody to the level of, you know, ultimate success, everybody's like, oh, let's, what are they doing? What did they do differently? Right? They used to do with Jimmy all the time. Oh, what did he do? Brady all the time. What did he do?
They follow the rules.
They listen
I
and
know
follow the rules.
Right?
They did what you told them to do.
They did what you told them to do,
Ex-
Coach. That's what I was about to say.
Yeah, it's funny. It happens every time I make somebody ultra successful. It's the same thing we always get, isn't it?
Well, Mark said it to somebody this morning. Somebody was telling him over in futures, you're fantastic. He said, hey, listen, yeah, I'm doing okay, but I'm only doing what Coach taught me to do, right?
Right.
So
I appreciate that.
Threw the credit out there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. And that's what we do here, though, right? That's my favorite part is that, and you guys can see, because all the people we just mentioned, none of them had ever traded a day in their lives, and look at what they're doing. So
Yeah, Tesla, go, Coach.
and it's all from right here, right, gang? It's all being trained right here. And now Mark's over there training you guys on how he did it so you can be successful, right?
Hey, Coach. Mark
Yes.
just asked me to mention Fed at 10.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Good point. Thank you very much. Yeah, everybody be cool. Fed at 10. Yep.
2 minutes.
Thank you.
And Tesla is still going.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, Tesla's beautiful. 302.60. Really loving that.
It's going and going and going. Oh my gosh. Damn, I'm making.
Good job. Keep making that money. Nana's got the printer on full blast over there right now. There we go. Nice trade over here on SPY and ES Futures. Anybody in that with me? That was beautiful. One minute. 1 minute to shift change, gang. 1 minute, right? Take it. $500 trade. Nice. Anybody wait for that nice, beautiful A+ setup there once it broke this 566.80 on my screen and hammered that thing? That was a beautiful setup, right?
I was right there with you, boss.
Oh, good job. Good job. Nice work. Love it when a plan comes together. 20 seconds. 20 seconds, gang. Everybody be ready. 20 seconds, okay? Have your stops in place. Take some off if you need to. Beautiful job. Here we go. Shift change. Volume coming in. Everybody be cool. Know what to do. Have everything in place. Apple full rebound bounce off of VWAP on the 2 minute. Full rebound. Oh my gosh. Glorious. SPY, I'm going to go in small here.
Coach, there's
Yes.
a notification on your chat in TikTok.
Okay. Oh, is there? I don't see anything. I got no notification on my side.
It's in the chat. It's labeled as notification rather than a person.
That's right. No, that's spam. Yeah, that's spam.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. There you go. I blocked it out. Yeah, that's somebody being funny. There we go. Just made another $100. Looking good to the upside. Still beautiful setup here on SPY. So we got the double top pullback. We got the micro double bottom bounce. Making our way back up here to the upside. Everybody love how that's working out, by the way? Right? We went one way, then the other, right?
Yep, boss. I'm waiting for a bounce off the pre-market high there.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Good call.
That's one new high.
Thank you. Yeah, this is starting to get squirrely right here. Consolidation area. You guys seeing it on SPY?
That first play on Apple was about a 30-something% run, and this second one so far is right up about 32, 33% so far.
Oh, nice job. That's glorious. And I assume you've been able to go in larger because of the premium size?
Yeah. Well, I had a mechanical error in the first one, so I actually bought one, or actually two in the money because it shifted as soon as I was buying.
Yeah.
But the delta was a lot higher, so it paid out quicker. And then so this second one, I slammed it. I did 50 contracts on this one. I did 30 on my first trade.
Yes. Yeah, 50 seems to be a beautiful number for you on Fridays.
Yes, sir. Still overall same position size that I'm comfortable with, so I know
Yep.
my stomach can handle it.
Yeah, and it's working out great, right?
Yes, sir. Take out money every week or two and don't feel the pain.
I love that. Absolutely love that. It's my favorite thing.
WBUY.
Go ahead.
Making a move.
Is it?
WBUY.
Oh, yep. WBUY. Up here at 22, getting volume 22 and a half. That was the free one we gave out this morning, right? Opened up at 16. It's now at 22, now at $23. That was free. Thank you. Hey, it's 10 o'clock. We're going to do a flash sale right now. The next 5 people that buy the Diamond Lifetime membership, we're going to include a free one-on-one with a moderator. So you guys want to learn from a moderator right now, the next 5 people that buy the Diamond Lifetime membership, I'm going to give you a $500 for free one-on-one with a moderator. Do it now. Right now. Those were sold out fast yesterday. Do it now. Do it. Do it now. Moderators watch for those when they come in so we can make sure they get set up. Thank you. A couple of Diamond members that came in this morning. Ron G. And I believe it was Chad.
No, I think Ron G is one of our truckers. He's the one that faithfully does the horn for us.
Oh, is that right? Okay, yep, thank you.
Yep.
There we go. Yep, and we had sorry, hold on, I'm looking. Helmreich. Thank you. 2 brand new Diamond members. Oh, look at this
That's
pullback.
right, such a printer.
Yes, it is. Nice heavy pullback right here.
And the gamma is so strong today, so it's really going.
Right? Nice. Look at this pullback on double top over there on Apple. SPY. Same thing. It almost made it back up to that triple top before it pulled. Glorious. I'm waiting for a little bit more. I got a little dab right there. I'm waiting for a little bit more. See what it's going to do. Wait for those good setups. Nice, nice. Who is going to scoop up a diamond today? $15,000 off. Lifetime all membership services today and in the future. And get a $500 one-on-one. Anybody? Oh, looks like one right here.
Wow, I just doubled my account today.
Oh my gosh. There you go. Get yourself a brand new set of draws.
Forget that. I'm taking my clothes off right now.
You got Oh boy.
Is that how we do it?
What in the world? Oh my.
I mean, look at Tesla.
Yes.
That thing is not going.
Yep, Tesla
So in the green, I don't even care what it does anymore.
306.50 on Tesla. But wait a minute, I thought Tesla was going to 0. Come on. Who got in it back when I said that again? Not the time I said 104. I know, not there. When I said it like 3 weeks ago. Yeah, it was I think it was down here, 214, 220. Who did? Who dat? Huh?
I did.
Thank you. Thank you. Again, flash sale only this second. Right now, Diamond lifetime membership, $15,000 off. Get a free one-on-one, $500 value. I mean, that's ridiculous. Redonkulous. Look at Tesla. Oh, my. 307 on Tesla now, 7.5%. One of the best days Tesla's ever had.
What the difference is on that 7,000 versus 7,000 Pro. I mean, it's like $10 difference or something. But I'm wondering if on that 7,000 Pro, it has a touch screen. This does not have.
Just ask me, brother.
I wasn't sure, Coach.
Me neither. I was like, wait, do we have a membership that's $7,000? I was like, Bruno, did you sell something?
Like, oh,
yeah.
Is he in it? I didn't know.
Yeah, I thought Bruno sold something, but all right.
Well, that was a new one.
Yeah.
Coach, that's the Neuralink program.
Oh, gotcha. I thought that was the new Platinum that we released here. I was like, man, I didn't even know that was going live yet. Apple.
Hot stock.
Go ahead.
WBUI, new high day,
Oh,
$25 almost.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my.
No, we're not kidding you. You always make us money. So.
Oh my gosh.
Coach, Qubit is flying to the upside still, new high.
Thank you. Beautiful job. Look at WeBuy. Remember, this is the one I gave you all for free this morning. I said it was beautiful on the float, had massive volume. We ran it a couple days ago. I said it was at 30, right? It was at $15, $16. It's at $25 now. 240%. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Mara, 12% today. Mara, 12% today. Nice. Nice. Flash sale, Diamond only. This second only. No, not if you bought one 2 days ago. Flash sale. Flash sale. Frank says, Coach, W buy is almost 50% since you called it. Thank you. I appreciate you, Frank. Over on the YouTubes. How we doing, TikTok? We get up to 300 concurrent viewers yet so we can give away something? We're getting there. Double tap those screens. Make sure you click that follow. Make sure you guys join us over on YouTube as well. Click that subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we go live and new videos come out. We have almost 2,000 training videos over on the YouTubes. Here we go. Getting a little bit of a pullback here. SPY ES futures.
Tesla is pulling. I'm out of that one. It started to really pull.
Thank you. How'd you do?
So I'm up 88% total count. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What in the Christmas miracle?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You know what's even
contract on Tesla. That's it. That's what I did.
You know what's
and
even
they were super cheap this morning when I got in.
Do you know what's even crazier?
Uh-huh.
You did all this on your trip.
Yeah.
Right?
Butt naked.
Right, but no. Canceled.
By losing my luggage. They lost my luggage. It was a crazy story anyway. So yeah.
You guys hear
cool.
that? Nana now knows when she trades butt naked, she does better.
It works.
Yep, it works. So good job.
Is there a membership for that?
No. Oh no. No. Oh no. No.
That's why I love that group. Not only you make money, it's also very entertaining.
Isn't that a free add-on with the Diamond membership, Coach?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Everybody be cool now. Everybody be cool.
Look at Tesla trying to do it. Yeah, it is again.
It is. It's respecting that 9 over there on the. I'm watching it on the 2-minute. Look at SPY and ES futures still pulling here.
It's not an add-on. It's a takeoff.
It's oh boy. Oh no. Oh boy.
Don't be a Richard.
Oh,
It's actually a flash sale.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy.
I'm here all week. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, don't forget to tip your moderators. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, key critical level here on SPY again. Apple, kind of choppy chop in the middle. I want to see if SPY wants to pull back here again. It keeps trying to get up to that 567.50 and pulls. I want to see SPY flush right here so I can hammer this. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. It's got a nice gap area. If we can break through this critical level, this 566.50. If it can break that, there's a huge flush setup. You guys see it? Oh, stay down there. Doesn't I'll get out. Such a good spot for it. Goodness gracious.
Coach, I just want to point out the way that the contracts move.
Yes.
So we were discussing an Apple. This was a 30-something% run from the time we got the bounce off of VWAP.
Yep.
And retracement took us back into the negative, maybe like 5 to 6%. And then so now we're bouncing back up. And I only had a couple of runners out of 50. I only had 3 runners left.
Yep.
Because of that large move. But you can see how that movement is so hard to determine in stock. I mean, in options because of the large movement. So that's why Coach always says, just leave it alone, move it right above break even. In this case, it doesn't look like it should have, but this took us all the way back into a negative from that entry earlier. So
yep. Yeah, that's
it's harder to play contracts.
Yeah, and you got to let them work, right? I mean, that's the biggest part is people have too tight of those stops. They don't allow them to work. Then they go in your favor and you're like, oh man, if only. Well, leave it alone, right?
Yep.
Gotta let them work, gang. They must work. It's a tool. Let the tool work for you. You put it out there. That was your setup. Let it develop. This right here, still waiting. What I'm looking for here is I'm watching to see if this is going to dump this level. If it does, we're going to get a nice flush here. Everybody see it on my screen? This is literally what I'm looking for. This is support, though, so this is kind of a dangerous setup. Sitting at this 565.50 is actually support. But if we can get this flush here, and it's teetering right now, then we've got a nice channel down here. Everybody see it? Just dancing this thing. I'm going to move this stop now. Because this is support right here. If we can get this to flush, be a nice setup. Still waiting. Still waiting. I'm going to give this a little bit more breathing room. Now what I'm waiting for is this to dump pull, if it will, and then I'll move my stop above what I paid, protect this trade, watch this thing flush, and make some good money off that trade. That's what we're anticipating. If not, this will pop up, stop me out, take the L, move on, wait for the next setup. Letting this work. This is a beautiful downside setup if this can flush right off this 560. Here, I'll mark it. There we go. Come on, baby. Give it some more. There's more room. There is a lot of room down here. If you're not in the trade yet, wait for the break and hold below 566.50, right? That's a better setup. You want to wait for that to get down there, right? Oh, so close. There it goes. I'll take it. Move my stop. Protected my trade. Move my stop now. There goes that flush in the channel. Beautiful trade. Beautiful freaking trade. Now we're making a lot of money. Giving this some wiggle room. This is support. Give it a little bit to bounce, but I'd love to see this continue to pull. Worst case, oh, there it went. Made $500. Did you guys see how that trade worked out?
Yep, I was right there with you, boss.
Nice job. Now, what I would have liked to have seen, right, is it not bounce so hard here. Continue to pull through this spot. Make more money to the downside, but that's okay. I made a quick $500 off the trade. Still set up for success. We got that gap all the way down there, though. This is wasn't that exactly what we wanted? Breakthrough here went all the way down here. You see it? It's beautiful.
I see it, Coach. I'm just wondering exactly where that's going to bounce, if it's going to, in all that area.
No, we're looking. If 566 was critical before, remember?
10-4.
Yep, 566 was our gold level for the day. Snaps through that 566. It's going to be beautiful to the downside. This is support. And we're almost close the day at 566. Close the day yesterday, right? Excuse me. This is support.
Green to red.
Yep, this is support. Previous day close. Oh, there it went. Oh my gosh, yes. Catching the tail. Caught a little bit. Who's in that? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my. Oh my, who got in that?
I did.
Thank you.
Got too soon.
Oh, and it rebounded so fast. That was glorious. Oh my gosh. I got to pull my chart back so I can look at what is the level of support here. Anybody have it on your screen?
Isn't 565 going to be red to green?
You guys, yes, 5. Yeah, that sounds right. Yep. Thank you. So it's dancing on it now, right? Real close. Who got in that short?
I got in with you, Coach.
Oh my gosh, that was such a payoff, right?
It actually took me from red to green for the day.
Oh, nice job, partner.
Thank you.
Yep. Don't over.
Thank you for coaching.
Yeah, don't overtrade now, though, right?
I'm actually out of firepower, so I'm good. I'm green for the day.
Oh, good job.
You could tell it was super heavy, and then 9 came down and was sitting right on at the same point of VWAP.
That's right.
And then she just said, bye-bye.
That's right. Yep. Right, and we had that beautiful gap to fill down to this previous channel of 566, and I told you if it can't hold that gold level, lights out, boom, all the way to 566.50, right?
Right. Looks like now you're, where's it, where the double bottom could have been. What is that, 565.80 is going to be should be your resistance now, correct?
Yeah, but if you guys look at my support, what do I have on my screen? What is it? 565.22. Everybody see it?
Yep.
That was a major level of support. It bounced at 565.43, right?
Right.
20 cents. And what do I say with SPY? 20 to 40 cent variance, right?
Yes, sir.
Good job. I mean, look at it up here when it triple topped. It hit 567.40 and we had 567.50 marked. Here we go. Still pulling. Beautiful.
And Apple is following the same exact trend, same pattern.
It really is. Just sitting down here now. Now we are down here on the next major key critical area, that 565.22. Everybody sees it, right?
I see it, Coach.
So we've got to be careful. This is a bounce zone. Really dangerous right here.
If it can get past this, it should gap on down.
That's correct. Correctamundo.
Can somebody deposit a few $100s in my account real quick?
Yeah, right. Somebody load the boat. Good job over there. F2 made 1,099. Good job.
He's pretty solid at that range every day now.
Yes. Crushing it.
Here it goes. There it goes.
Yep, I'm watching it. See if it's got a little more, right? That is danger. That's danger zone. Look at Apple on VWAP.
Tesla pulling.
Thank you. Yep, Tesla's below the 9 now on the 2-minute. Again, though, if SPY's going to bounce, it's here. Be very careful. Those of you that are getting FOMO, wait for the break and hold right here on this 565, okay? Don't get in that early. I'm telling you right now. 565 below, break and hold, okay? Listen to the sound of my voice. What a bleed out. Woo. Uh-huh. We see you, 565, don't we?
I see it, Coach.
Yep, we're on to your little games. Apple on VWAP on the 2-minute. We see you, 565. We respect you. Live Apple chat. Are they going to live to have another day? Live Apple chat has been alerted. If they're not communicating over there, that channel will be shut down every day. SPY and ES looking for a break of 565. Look for that break and hold of 565. We're right there a minute. Might be a little early, but a minute. Yep, I'll take it. Come on. Come on, flush right here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Yep, that's beautiful. I'll take half. Who got in that with me? Anybody?
I did.
NVIDIA's flush.
Thank you.
Yes,
Oh, look at this. Oh, yes.
Still in it, Coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Taking 2 more. 1 left. Letting the runner run. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista, baby. Wow, this is nice. Careful. Next level supports 564. Everybody see it? 564.
Yeah, with that candle starting below the, right at there where the other one finished, that's pretty strong.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, it's just beautiful. I'm still in it. Normally I collect off that. But I'm so deep in the money now that why? Right? Let it go.
Wait, sucks to be out of firepower sometimes.
Double bottom. Oh my gosh, this is going to break through double bottom? Oh my.
It's actually a triple from further back, Coach.
Thank you. Right there, 564. Major level. Wow. So much strength to the downside. Look at these candles.
I love red candles,
Oh, they're my favorite. Oh my gosh.
especially when they string together like that.
Oh, look at Apple breaking through. That breaks through that 200. It's going to be an even better setup. You see Apple? Oh, this is nice. This is real nice.
Coach, is this somebody saying something on the news, or what exactly
Has
caused
to
this
be.
big drop?
Yeah, it has to be, partner.
We had a bunch of speakers today, so I'm sure there's lots of words.
Yep. Lots of words and all the things, right? I'm getting out of that trade. It's too much on the double bottom bounce. Yeah, that's way too much on the double bottom bounce area. It's got to be patient. Who made buttloads of money off these trades today? Anybody?
Split
Oh my
Still in
gosh.
it, Daddy.
Nice.
Okay, Coach.
Daddy.
Futures.
Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausage? Sausage?
Here goes the flash sale again.
Yeah. Stringing some bad jokes together. You watch it. It's a family show. Come on now. See what this wants to do. This is that double bottom right here, though. 564, right?
Coach, would you look for a bounce off the 9 on this, or just let it run? Is it too volatile for that?
Well, I don't like it off the 9 here, only for the fact that because it's such a major bounce area, right? If it's going to blast, it's going to do it there. Normally, I would say yes, but because this is such a major bounce spot, right? Look at this. That I've got to be extra cautious if I'm going to try to short anything off of this spot. Makes sense?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, because this is the biggest level. This is the highest bounce zone in the day is right here. And this is why we all got out at 564 and collected and did all the things. Let's see now if this respects that 9, I'll hammer it. It is. I'm in it. You see how it did pull back off the 9 on that one?
Yes, sir, I did.
Yep.
Ooh, that little bounce ain't nice right there.
But I am going to have... yeah, there it goes. I was going to say it pulled back off the 9, but then it just immediately had buyers. Did you guys see how it did that? Apple on the 200, MA on the 2 minute.
So I wonder what's going to go back to.
You broke up, partner. Go ahead.
Coach, was that news issues? I mean, this is a pretty long candles.
I have no idea. I'm sure it is, right? And we're in options Friday too, right? So dangerous.
We have a question in the chat asking you to look at hot stock pick ZAP, ZAPP.
Somebody want to look at Zap? I'm in a trade. So still respecting the 9.
Zap is below VWAP, coach.
Okay, so it's garbage. Thank you.
Yeah.
Zap's garbage. Thank you. For the long, anyways. That Apple over there riding that 200 is a big deal for SPY here. SPY again, still trying to find support on this big double bottom 564. Still respecting the 9. You see how it's 4 candles in a row? Do you see it all off the 9? But it's not getting away from it. Do you see how it's not pulling back?
Yes, sir. It's sticking to it.
Yeah, it's just riding in this area. We want to see that flush and get away from that 9. There we go. I was going to say, we want to see it flush. Get it. There it is. There it is. There's the sellers. I'll take it. $750. Nice. Anybody get off that little trade? That's what we wanted. Now we want to see this pull that 564. Hammer time downside, right? Micro.
Still in it, coach.
Thank you. Micro double bottom here. See if we can get a nice, beautiful flush out. It respected that 9 for a while. Flushed hard. Should have a lot of sellers here.
Kind of an inverted cup and handle.
Yeah, it's a tiny micro double bottom, but there was a lot of sellers being pushed off the 9. With a nice, beautiful, strong candle. There we go. I'll take it.
I wasn't going to trade today, coach, because of all the news. 4% for the day.
Oh, yeah. I don't give a shit about that news. That stuff don't scare me. But I hear you. Yeah, I don't give a crap about any of that.
The market took off really fast, super fast on Apple, and I was like, these are January contracts. I'll buy a couple.
Yes. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Did I tell you guys, right? I told you, right? I said all them sellers were stacked there because it respected that 9 for a while. Nice bleeder candle. Now, typically, I would tell you on a micro double bottom, we're going to long it, but I said not this time. There's a lot of sellers sitting right there. Did I or did I not say that into this massive bloody candle? Yes?
Yes, you did.
You sure did.
Love that.
I mean, that pull on Apple really helped.
It did. Yeah, that 200. That's why I said if Apple can't hold that 200, right, SPY will be going none nights, which it did, and it still is. You know what the best part of this whole trade is? You guys all got in up here on this top, right?
Yes, sir.
This was right here. This was 20 cents away, right here. Buy.
Tesla is back on the 300. Look at that. Right at it.
Thank you. Look at SPY
Stay on it.
SPY and ES still collapsing. Who's still in there? This is beautiful, man. This is like, what a glorious Friday, right?
Going in small made a big difference with fear, and I have so much left over.
Yeah.
What is it? Buying power?
Yep.
I'm not going to touch it though.
Yeah, it's crazy though, right? When you go in small, how much more you can make and how much less you are risking. It's crazy how that works. Think about it right here. If somebody went in YOLO, right, and then it bounces on you, wrecks your account, instead of going small and then letting it go forever, making thousands, you try to go heavy, it bounces, you lose 10,000. You know what I mean? It's such a major difference. I mean, this is still set up to the downside. This is such a nice trade. Such a nice trade. Who's still in this?
Still in it, coach.
Great job.
On Apple, coach. Still in it.
Good job.
Bought it at 56.89.75.
Thank you. Just got paid. It's Friday night. Man, I was going to take off early. I'm having so much fun in here. Watching you guys all make ginormous amounts of cash. Who's got support on here? Because I haven't even charted back yet. Anybody support?
On what? On SPY?
Yeah, on SPY. Anybody? Here, I'll pull it.
Yes. Hold on.
No one's called it out yet.
562.65.
Thank you. Ooh, 562's massive. That was previous day low, 561.70. You see it?
Yeah.
Yep.
It touched it and rebounded.
Yeah, that's major. That's previous day low. We get down there, I'm going to be long in that. Want to bet?
Give it a few cents, give and take with it right there.
20 to 40 cents was what you're looking for, right, Nana?
Well, I see 562.60. I have an all line and right in the ballpark.
Yep. Nana with the naked trade.
Do you remember
naked
when
options?
You used to tell me to stay away from SPY?
Yeah,
I can nail it.
I do. I said, get over there to Ford, and you didn't want to listen. He said, I'm not listening to that old man. He doesn't know anything.
No, and first of all, you were right, and two, you told me it will take longer, and it did take longer.
That's right. Nice. Did anybody else get into that Diamond Lifetime membership? Who's getting that today? Talk to me. Today is your day. Today is the day to change your life. Look at SPY bouncing here. Like I said, could you imagine if you were like, yay, and you loaded the boat, and then it bounced, and then you're like, oh, damn. But if you would have went in small, you wouldn't have cared, right? Oh, here we are on the 9. Is this going to respect the 9 and pull right here? You guys see it? It did up here. This is where it respected it before. You guys all see it?
Yes, sir, coach.
Got it.
More sellers.
I got in that damn thing late because I had the wrong chart up. I had SPY up. I had a nice scalp off this 9. I had the wrong chart up. Coach, stop being a goofball.
Freaking goofy goober.
I know it. This is doing that same nonsense. I'm out. I don't like it. Give this thing a minute.
It looks like it wants to start going down.
Yeah, it
I don't
is.
know.
It is, but I don't like the way it's sitting up here so tall on the 9. I want it away from it.
You gotta wait right now. I think we have to wait to see what he wants to do.
Yep, just gonna be patient.
It's due for some consolidation, right? I mean,
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, see, look at that. Yep, I'm glad I didn't touch that. Now we're starting to get a little bit of a boot here. All right, so if this can't hold this, if this can't hold this 564, I'm gonna look at long in this. 564 should be resistance. Remember when we had 564 before, right? So if it can't hold this resistance, then I'm going to long it. But this is now off the 21. I'm going to go in right here. See if we can get a little bit more. Yes. Take it. 500 bucks. Beautiful setup right there. Didn't respect the 9, but it did off the 21, and I knew that 564 was a major level of resistance, so I went short off that. 5 contracts, boom. Sold it at 600, made $500 on it, up 2,000 for the day, off of some small trades. Very nice.
Big coach just went from red to green. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice job, partner. Don't overtrade today, right?
Exactly.
Yep. Now listen, those of you that have lost money, would you rather make $1 today or lose 2,000?
Make $1.
That's right.
$1.
That's right.
$1.
That's right. And I need you guys to remember that. It's more about risk management than it is making that money, right?
Dude, yeah, you go into the weekend red, it ruins the whole weekend.
It does.
It's the worst
yeah.
thing ever.
Yep. Yeah, it's a confidence destroyer for Monday. It sets you up on Monday. You're like, oh, but listen, as long as you have your risk management 1 to 3%, which most of you don't follow, but if you did, it would be no damage. If you're used to making 100, but you lost 100, you wouldn't be freaking out over the weekend. If you're freaking out over the weekend, you already know you took a bigger loss than what you're supposed to, right?
That's right,
So
Coach.
true.
Yep. Risk management. Now, normally
It's
I
like
would
those-
normally I would short this again off this 21, but I'm not. This is starting to curl up. Can you guys see the difference? So I
Yeah,
need,
the 9 is curling.
yeah, I don't like any of this, right? I need to wait. Now I'm going to be really patient. The last one you saw me take the scalp off the 21. This one I am not shorting this off the 21.
Is it? Are you talking about where it curled right above the doji or on the red candle?
Right in this area right here.
Gotcha. Okay.
You see how this is starting to boot?
Yeah.
So this tells me I need to wait till we get down here now, where typically the second it touches the 21, I'm shorting it. Now I'm looking at long in this because it's above 564. Remember what I said about 564? If and only if it can break and hold above 564, I will look for a quick scalp. 564 is everything. If this pulls below this 9 right here, I'm going to short it, because that means it did respect the 21. But do you see how the 21 and the 9 are collapsing?
Yes.
Patience. Don't force it. There's no reason for me to like, just calm down, man. In fact, I'll go with a starter setup. I always like to do 2. That way I can sell one when it's good and leave the other. So starter setup here, getting ready to short if it breaks the 9. $564. Remember I said major level resistance. But if it's going to loiter around there, man, I'm not touching it. Apple pulling back on the 200 is a good sign to short. Let's see if it can stay there. You see it?
Oh, there. Yes.
All right. Still.
Beautiful.
Yep. Still being patient. Notice I have not entered this trade right here. I am in no trade right here. I don't care. Like, oh, but it looks like it's going down. Wrong. Looks like it's not doing anything yet. It looks like leave it the hell alone until it shows us. Yeah, this falls off right here. Boom, I'll be in it. And I'll go in with a starter. If it keeps going my way, I'll enter. Starter in. I only went in with 2. Went in real light. Real light. Because technically this is still on the 9, right? I'm in real light. Looking to see what I want to do with this. Yeah, look at this. Imagine if I went heavy, right? If I went heavy, I'd be freaking out, right? Be like, oh no. Nice and light. Now I can
Float like
set.
a butterfly, sting like a bee.
That's right. Now right here, I can set to take one, which will lighten my load, which will be a little bit easier on me if it goes against me. If it pulls and it goes in my favor, I'm going to add. Yeah, I don't like this at all. I don't like the way it's sitting on the 9. We should have had a pull here. We got buyers sitting here. This is everything. I'm actually going to put my stop right there.
Hey.
Now look at that, right? Look at that. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? Now I just gave up money on that trade, but again, if it stays above 564, that was my long, right? Everybody remember how we talked about 564?
Yes, coach.
Come on, get up there. Should get a push now. 564 became support. I better do the same on this one. I better, well, I was going to say I better set a knife drop stop.
On Tesla, the 300 is basically becoming support.
5 sell. Yeah, I'm ready to pull the trigger if this goes against me, and then I'll stop trading because I'm that tells me, right, that my mind's not right. Getting in too much garbage. That 564 push should have been a nice shove to the upside, and it did not. Come on.
He's going to pull.
It better not pull. I'm in longs. 564 was the resistance. It popped above it, but it's still technically dancing on it. I can see Apple riding the 200 MA over there. If that pulls, this will pull.
SPY's moving like Microsoft.
Like I said, though, this started to curl up, right?
Gotcha.
Come on, baby. Go. Let's see them buyers come in. Come on, you're right there. There we go. There we go. Come on, a little more. There we go. Yes, I'll take some. Yes. Take some more. One left. Beautiful. How's that for a freaking trade? Huh? Yeah, baby.
Good job,
Off the
coach.
9 to the double top, coach.
Yep. Now listen, you don't get excited about the money. I'll take it. You get excited about the trade. Remember what I say? When you become a good trader, the money will come. We don't force anything, but do you guys see how all of this started to make sense the other way? Even though, oh, it's down, it's down, it's down. No, it's not right there. It wasn't, right? Now, how many people would have shorted that and lost your ass off right there? FOMO. Thank you. Appreciate you all being here. Don't forget Diamond membership flash sale right now. It's Friday. It's payday. You better get over there. Pay yourselves, right? Get that Diamond lifetime membership. I'll throw in a free one-on-one $500 training session with you. Do it now. I'm going to be leaving here in a minute, by the way. This flush is a 9 and 564. I'm going to hammer it to the downside. Oh, yeah. You see how this is curling right here? This is coming down. I like this setup to the downside. Because now if that breaks at 564, there's going to be a ton of sellers are going to line up because the buyers are exhausted. Oh, yeah. Right here. Set up for short. A minute. Taken 2. Taken 2. 1 left. Beautiful. That's nice. That's how we do it, right? That's set up real nice now. Just watching this candle. Beautiful. You see how the buyers got exhausted? Seller stepped in. Dropped below the 9. Taking my money. Up 2,000 for the day. Now, do you guys see the difference why I was able to trade this spot differently than just 2 minutes ago up in this spot? If you can't do, this is what I'm saying. If you can't do all of these things, you can't read all this all at the same time, then you should not be scalping, right? This is so much, so fast, constantly evolving. Everything's always changing. You have to be able to adapt and change with it. There's no woe is me time. You can't be crying about a previous trade or I took an L on there. You don't get all that. You want to be an advanced master scalper? You don't get time to cry about it. Did you guys see why I took my money right here? Buyers started coming in. Candle started slowing down. Now think about it. If I would have shorted this in here, I was in the green. If I would have waited, it would have went red against me, and now I'd be sitting in a red trade instead of taking a couple $100 out of it. Make sense? Nice, Peter. Looking forward to working with you. No, those sales will be gone in June and July. Yeah, no, those will be gone. This 5K diamond thing won't exist anymore either. This is not a thing at all. There we go. I like this. That's a better setup. Win in small. See if it'll stay. Remember the 564 rule? You guys remember me telling you about that? Remember 564? I said if it goes above 564, I long it. Does anybody remember?
Yes, sir.
I'm with you, boss.
I don't know why that did what it did. I had to get out of that trade for whatever reason. Something got in there. It wasn't right. I had to bail out. Yeah, no worries. Good job. I saw it. All right, let's see. Bounce off the 9. Just another day at American Dream Trading. One of my members just sent me a message, said I just made $420,000 this morning. Good job. All right. Who'd like to make $420,000 in the last hour and a half? Anybody? Good job. All right. Double top, little small, micro double top. Look at where we're at. We're at red to green here, right? Close the day yesterday. Everybody see it? Okay, good. Glad to hear it. Real quick, show of hands. Who made any money today? Go ahead.
I did, Coach.
Yes.
Yes, Coach.
I did.
I did.
Sure did.
Thank you.
%, total account, Coach.
Nice job.
Happy Mother's Day to all those mothers trading today. Have a good weekend.
All you mothers. Why'd you say it all negatively to us?
Well, I didn't make it sound
Mothers have a
negative. I just
good
wanted
To
to
all
weekend.
you
Happy
mothers.
Mother's Day. We've got some good women in here trading.
Yeah. Thank you.
It almost sounded like she had to hold back and leave the second word off.
She
like, you
did.
mother.
Yeah. She was like, I'm not throwing a 20 in the tip jar. You mothers. Yes. Thank you for that, by the way. Yes, absolutely. Happy Mother's Day to all you amazing mothers and you amazing fathers, because some of you fathers are being mothers right now, right? Some of you single parents out there too, right? So happy Mother's Day to all of you that are taking care of them little ones. Appreciate you. In case anybody gets mad at me, my mom left when I was like 4, so there was no Mother's Day. So the Mother's Day was for my father. So don't beat me up. Thank you. Explains a lot, right? Like, oh, now I know why this guy's such a freak. I hear you.
Happy Mother's Day to your wife, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Oh,
Well,
look at this.
Sounds like your father did a great job.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I don't know anything about that. I got my mom and dad, but I couldn't imagine it.
Appreciate
But
you.
some kids are better off without either. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It makes us who we are. I mean, if all that
Right.
craziness wouldn't have happened, we wouldn't have American Dream Trading, right?
That's right.
Yep.
Everything happens for a reason. I
Yep.
appreciate you, Coach.
Yeah, appreciate you guys. Apple bouncing off that 197.50. Nice. How'd Mark
I was
do?
shooting everybody on the Apple chat that this 2-minute Evo, I think the biggest pull we had got us to about almost 28%. But realistically, right now I just got rid of my runners because they were hitting negative.
Yep.
So we have chances to collect, but the hope and hope and hope is what leads us to hold on too long and give up the
Yes.
opportunity to collect something.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And I'd always rather collect than not, right? Always, because once you've collected, you've guaranteed and locked that profit in. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Great job. How'd you do today so far, partner? Did you lock in any gains?
I've taken 3 trades and each one of them, so the total right now is $3,539.45.
That's awesome. You guys hear that? That's beautiful. All that over there in the live Apple chat, getting it done.
I still have some buying power, but I think that might be it. Because I think right now we're back in a channel where in the pre-market there was a lot of chops. So I don't need to force it.
Yep. Yeah, that's a beautiful job.
And it was posted for everybody. The reasons why we got in, the reasons why we shaved, and Eric's giving the assist over there.
Yes, nice job.
Because I'm posting up, I'm trying to do my screenshots, and Eric's calling out levels. Like right here, okay, we're gonna shave. We should shave right here because of, and then it was previously strong, or we point out some people don't have they're not taking advantage of the indicators. So
Yep.
hey, this was previous day high. Let's
Right.
be caution right here, and everything. It's all there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice job. Zoom, I'm posting what one of our members made. I'm not using any names. No names. Look at that profit. That's this morning. Woo. Very nice, very nice. It's over in the Zoom chat. Yep. Just no names. Not saying any names today. This member has asked me not to say the names. So when they say that, I do not. Absolutely not. Good job. Trading Spaces, you got your hand up. Go
Way
ahead.
to go, Don.
Go.
Yeah, I got a question about the Diamond. You mentioned that ADT is going to be launching a live view trading channel.
Correct.
Is this going to be live for each of the moderators? So let's just say I wanted to watch you trade live right now, and then after 11 o'clock, I want to jump into futures and watch somebody else trade live, and then maybe I want to jump in and see how Bruno trades live or Palm trades live.
So we have to kind of figure that out. I'm going to allow any. Oh, hold on a minute. This is a buy opportunity. I'm going to allow any of the training or moderators to go in there, but they're not going to be on a set schedule. I'm not going to be I'm forcing you to trade in front of people. It's going to be an open room, or if somebody's like, hey, I got some time, I'm going to go trade. Hold on. This is a nice setup right here. It's not. It's got to break above this. But yeah, it won't be dedicated channel oh, here's the coach. Oh, here's, Eric. Oh, here's David. Oh, I could not do that. That would be way too hard, too much manpower to make that all happen. That would cost me millions of dollars. That would be really hard to do that. No, there's going to be a platinum channel that will cost you about $1,000 a month. You will see when one of our Zooms is posted, it'll go, Coach is live. Oh, David is live. Mark is live. You'll see it in there, and you can jump in there whenever we are in there. It could be 2 o'clock in the morning. Mark's like, I'm into gold, right? Doing the things, right? It could be I could jump in there at 3 o'clock today and be like, hey, I'm going to trade. I got an hour. So it'll be more like that than some sort of scheduled. That's too hard. That's way too hard.
And will it be taking a look at your overall screen? We're going to see your mouse.
Yes,
All right, here, I'm going to walk in. I'm clicking buy right now. This is where I'm at kind of concept.
It will be exactly what you're seeing on my screen right now without me talking to all of you so that I can actually trade, so you can actually see what us millionaire traders look like. Yep.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, because think about it. When I'm in my zone, instead of talking to all of you, it's not the same, right? Yeah, you guys will see me make, up to 150,000 in a day, but that's me talking while I'm doing it, right? Now imagine me laser focused. I would have already been in this trade, by the way. I've already would have made, another $5,000 to $1,000 right here. So now imagine me without talking and giving levels and just trading, and you can see what does it look like? What does it look like when one of our other traders, right, is inside of the room that can do $1 million in a day? What does that look like, right? Does that make sense? Okay, good.
Yes, Coach. Makes sense to make dollars.
Yeah. Nice. Good. I can see you guys are all posting over there now in the stock. Good job. Let's see how the profits and loss look today. Nice job. Let's go ahead and read those out. Give me 1 second. I'm going to read all the P&Ls. You guys are supposed to post on that every single day. Live Apple Chat, if you guys like that channel and you want that channel to continue to exist, you already know what you're supposed to do. If you don't do it, you will not have it on Monday. Every day, by the way, moderators, we're doing a spot check. If you do not have communication coming out of the Live Apple Chat, that channel no longer exists. Every day. It's the honor system over there. We ran that beta, which turned into this full, long, lengthy. It takes you 2 seconds. It literally takes you 2 seconds. If that's too hard for you, then just don't be in it. We help you. You help us. Fair? Okay, good. Thank you.
Sounds fair.
Thank you. Because I know David asks literally every day, and about 3 people will say, we'll do something. If you're not going to listen to David, who's showing you literally how to make millions of dollars, what are we doing this for?
It's being selfish. I mean,
it's completely
2
selfish. Yes, it's terrible. That makes no sense.
These people are taking their time and helping you, and you can't do something, and it takes 2 seconds to do. I don't get it.
Yeah, I don't either. But people get lazy as hell and complacent, right? Oh, I made my money. I'm out. I made 50 grand today. I'm out.
Right.
Okay.
Screw y'all, I'm out.
Yep, exactly. I'm going to get mine. See ya. It's a service. I
Right.
pay you for your business, so therefore I don't have to do shit now.
It don't cost you a dime. It
Give me
costs
a
you 2
break.
seconds to post it, dude. It's crazy.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm glad I'm
All
not
right, no
alone on
problem.
that.
Well, the reason we ask y'all to post in the stock lounge is because that's where free members want to see. They're not seeing all of this stuff all day long.
Correct.
They catch a little bit of it in the morning when
Right.
Coach is live,
Right.
but they're not seeing what goes on throughout the day. They don't get to see the actual Apple chat. So if people are posting in the stock lounge, the free members get to see, hey, you know what? These guys are on the other side of the paywall.
Right.
Hey, you know what? It seems like that's pretty beneficial. These guys are chit-chatting it up every day, showing whether it's profit or losses. Hey, I learned something today. Oh,
Correct.
he helped me avoid a bad trade, because I know that's where we start off. We try to convince ourselves that we're going to take a trade, and we talk ourselves into getting into a trade instead of patiently waiting for a good entry. So even stuff like that is helpful.
I agree. Thank you for that too, by the way. It's not us like trying to be mean or whatever. No, it helps people. This is a community of people helping people, right? That's what it's supposed to be. This is why I'm like, hey, did you leave a comment on a YouTube video today? Did you tweet over on X? Did you say something nice? Oh, I can't believe I made $500,000 today. Or, oh, I can't believe, right, that I did this or that. Or, you know what I mean? Like, are you doing all the work? Are you sending it out? Are you telling everybody about us? We're helping you. Are you helping us? Or are you just going to spend a couple $100 and say, this is a business. I paid you for your service. Bye. Okay. Try doing that with your waitress or your bartender. Oh, I paid my money. Bye. Okay, bye. Right? Bye.
Yes, Coach. Even in the afternoon after you're gone, when we're doing teaching, we suggest them, please, if you've heard something that's helped you, if you've asked a question and you've gotten some input that clarified things for you, go to the stock lounge and put it in, because we still have over 200 people in the afternoon. That's going to help people who are too shy or quiet and afraid to make a comment because they think it's a stupid question.
That's right.
But by putting stuff in the stock lounge, it tells everybody, come on, there's a community here that will support you.
Yep, absolutely. I agree.
That's it.
Oh,
Thank you.
Yep, major pull right here. Major pull right here on the market. You guys see it? Somebody else getting on there, saying something probably, right? Look at this pullback. Hold on, let's make this trade and then we'll get into something else. But holy crap. Somebody's saying something somewhere, am I right? Wow. Okay, thanks. Look at that.
There's no telling what they're saying.
I know it. Look at these
Someone's
candles.
talking somewhere.
Somebody's like, we want to give you more money. That's all I see. I'm catching the tail end of these. The first one I took a hit. I'm still up $1,800, but the first one, for whatever reason, when I sold it at market, it was a bad fill, but still up $1,800. Tried to catch that when it was happening, but it is what it is. Very nice. Look at that. Just massive pullback. 2 red bloody candles out of nowhere. Use your stops, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, Coach.
Yes, go ahead.
You mentioned a diamond with a one-on-one with you earlier. Is that still available?
Not with me, but yeah, it's a one-on-one with a training moderator. Yes, for the next 5 people that buy the diamond, you can get a training with the moderator, which is a $500 value. Yes.
Okay.
Thank
How do
you.
I open up a ticket?
Well, as soon as you buy it, we'll see it and we'll add you.
That's with David.
That'd be great.
Yep.
Okay, thank you, Coach.
Yep, you got it. Yeah, that's not with me. I'm $6,000 an hour, so it kind of wouldn't make sense for you to buy a $5,000 service and get a $6,000 one-on-one for free, right?
I'll take 3 hours.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Appreciate you.
Thanks,
you.
Coach.
Yep, you got it. Yeah, we were able to clear up some space. David had about a 6-month backlog when I did the last ridiculous sale. He had hundreds of people sign up for a one-on-one. We just now finally are caught up. Oh, look at this. This is crazy in here.
There was something in the news about all the radar going blank at Newark Airport.
Oh, good. Okay. Thank you.
And it went on for a little bit. And if you know how busy that airport is, that's
yeah.
that's incredibly scary.
Yeah, super crazy, right?
About a week ago, 30% of the controllers quit in Newark.
Oh, wow.
And my flight got canceled about 2 weeks ago because of that.
Wow. Well, let's see if we can get a larger pullback here now that we're under the 9 and the 21. But if it's a news event, we got to wait it out, right? Good job. So, yes. So, whoever that was, one of those is gone. That leaves 4. So, the next 4 people today get the Diamond Lifetime membership. You're going to get a free one-on-one with a moderator. It's a $500 value after I already took $15,000 off the Diamond. Thank you. Oh, yes, absolutely. Yeah, let me read the P&L real quick. We haven't done that in years. Hold on. Let me, I'm pulling up the profits and loss now. Now, remember, most people can't even see our P&L. It's only for premium paid members only. I am going to read them off right now. Give me a second. Usually it's lit up. There it is. All right, let's go through it. I'm going through the profits and loss right now. Everybody in the room is supposed to post these every single day. It helps the entire community out. It definitely helps me out because that way I can see who is doing what, who is struggling, who needs help, how's the overall community doing, right? This helps me big time when you guys are posting the P&L. It lets me know what we need to be working on, what we can do better, how we can assist you. And when you're just being a lazy ass, doesn't help nobody. So here we go. Coach called everybody a lazy ass. I'm canceling. Well, that's up to you. All right, here we go. Red Pat Sock says up $200. Nice job. Ange is up 6.87% growth total account futures. Nice job. B Axelrod says up 30% total account P&L today. Nice job. Oh, hold on. Is this pulling? Yeah, it is. 1 second. Just trying to see if this is going to sit down and stay under that 21 or not. Don't want to sit in this trade too long, but do you see the difference when I'm teaching and training versus when I could trade? The difference of F2 going into the weekend green. Thank you, Coach, and Apple Chat. $1,100. Valhalla says small green day, 5.88%. Thanks, Spy, Coach, and mods. Have a great Mother's Day weekend. Thank you. Paula traded Spy again. The mindset continues to change with patience and focus. So grateful. Made $165 this morning. Great job. Big Vic's up $77. Nice work. Chef, 7.72% total account green every day this week. Love to see that. This is starting to squeeze right here. You guys see this 9 and the 21 starting to squeeze? I'm in the wrong side of this trade. I am in the wrong side of that trade. Yep. All right. Let me keep reading these. Let's see. J-Lock up $309. KW $309. Bucko 25% total account. Scott says real money $184. Oraclo, I saw you over there. $511. Good job. Ev Pecco $159. Our own training moderator. David, $3,539.45. Miranda, one of our moderators, up 11% total account today. Daz up $6,347. Diamond member. Nice job. Oh, look at this squeeze to the upside. Nice. Now I'm in late because I'm reading. Bayside trusted EWO $1,300. Carolyn down $50, but hanging in there. Never trade with other distractions. Absolutely. Maxi Max, couple bad trades chasing PLTR, but along with meta puts, got green. Nice job. Diego, $316. Billy Papa, 3.5% total account. Charles in charge, best thing, I stopped losing money with coach's rules. Nice job. Yeah, it's not always about making money, right? For some of you, it's stop bleeding. Right? Some of you, the stop bleeding is enough because you've been making some silly trades for a while, right? Hold on a minute. Yep, I keep getting in these trades late because I'm trying to trade while I'm talking in here. This is what I'm saying. You guys, you see the difference? Giving back money because I'm not just trading. Okay. Not good. Let's see. Patience. 2 small green trades today. Going into the weekend. Green. Continuing to work on my mindset. Nice job. Ofer says up $730. Gilly, $835 so far. Trading in crypto. Nice. JR says, thank you, Coach David and Eric. Green week every day. Great Apple team. Moved up from 2 contracts to 3 and 4 at a time. Nice job. BMAC, $270. DPS, another $1,000. Realized profits on Tesla held for 2 weeks. Good job. Oh, this thing's flushing. Now, am I going to catch the tail end of this, or because I was so late over here talking that I'm going to lose more money off that trade?
There's Palm.
Hold on. Small account gains. Nice job. Says mind spinning from all the new opportunities open to me this morning with my diamond purchase. Up 5.5% first day in diamond. Nice job. Hunsey, 17% of total account gains. Richard, one of our mods, learning futures, but lost $119. Stop loss too tight. Always room to learn. Absolutely. Good job, though. Keep getting better. Conrad, $9. Nice job. Chad, took a small L on Tesla stop loss and play. Followed every rule except for one. Trying to guess top or bottom. Yep. It's funny, right? One lapse in judgment. How quick it can take it all away, right? We've got to be mindful of that.
I'm out for today, boss. Thanks for everything.
Yes, nice job. Did you do good? Did you do good today?
What's that?
Did you do good today?
I took a little bit of a loss, $103, but it's because I was set for a bounce on the pre-market low.
Yep.
Not a big loss. I did make it. I was down about 300, and I made it back just following your trades today.
Good job.
Trading right along with you. So I recovered most of it. It's not bad. It's not a knockout for me at all.
Yeah, it's not like total account failure, right? Like, oh no.
Oh heavens no, it's not even 1% of my account.
Good. Okay, good job.
Just one bad trade, like you said.
Yep, one lapse in judgment goes that fast, doesn't it, partner?
I've learned, and I don't know all that you know yet, but I've learned that hey, if he's not getting into the downside, I shouldn't be getting into the downside.
Yeah, it's kind of, yeah. You're like, wait a minute, why am I completely backward, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think I see a good trade, coming up, and I just need to learn that, hey, if he's not doing it, it's probably for a damn good reason.
Right. Well, nice job today. So that's the P&L. That's at least who's posted. I can see some more coming in. Real quick, though, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, and Happily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel, Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, gang, I'm out. Moderators, you have control of the board. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me live. We're here 3 times a day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11. Mark is here every day from 2 to 4. And then the aftermarket show every night at 5 o'clock. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate all of you. Hopefully you had a great week. I know I did. And I thank you, all of you moderators, for everything that you do.